to our channel again. Today in this very important video, we're going to understand one of the most important indicator, which is called ADX, Average Directional Index. So I will go through you from the completely basic that what is ADX and how you can actually implement in your trading career, in your day-to-day trading. So let's get into it. Basically, you have to just came here in the indicator portions of the TradingView website. So if you don't know, by any case, that if you want to, see the charts of any cryptocurrencies, any forex pairs, any shares, any indices, so you can just visit into the website and you can search here about anything which you want to, which you would like to see, right? So back to our topic, just you have to click on the indicator portions and search about ADX. Here you will see that average directional index. I have to just simply click on it, right? So if I just once click onto that, and this is what this ADX comes in. Okay, so I will tell you what is ADX means, right? So as you can see, we are on the Bitcoin chart. So we know that Bitcoin is 24 into 7 open. So that is why I am just taking an example of it. So basically, before that, read this small definitions of it. ADX, average directional index, is a trend strength indicator that measures how strong a market trend is, regardless of whether the price is moving up or down. So that this ADX literally tells us the power of the trend, right? Regardless of the trend which comes upside and downside also. So it basically says the ADX range from 0 to 100. As you can see, the range is from 0 to 100 basically. This is 0 and this is 100. ADX moves between the prices of 0 to 100. Generally, an ADX above 25 indicates a strong trend. Okay. So ADX is now at a 16.88, right? So, and it tells us that ADX above 25 is strong trend. So when the ADX is above 25, let's say if I will just mark 25 here. So let me just coordinates and just 0, 0, right? So this is pure 25. So it tells us that the ADX above 25 is a stronger trend. So let's see it in the market. So when the ADX is below 25, so it represents us a weaker trend, right? So while ADX below 20 suggests a weak trend, so we'll just generally see the up of the 25 ADX this price band, and we'll see that if the trend is actually work out or not, right? So this is the positions where ADX is upon the 25 level, right? So here you will see that the ADX is massively up. Just arrange it. The ADX is massively up from here, and the trend is also falling. What I'm telling you, that it doesn't matter where the price is actually moving. The ADX just to tell you the power of the trend. If the power of the trend is bearish, then the ADX will go upward, and also if the power of the trend is bullish, then also the ADX would be upward. So ADX doesn't give you the proper signal, like if the if the price is going downward, so ADX also going to downward. That's not going to happen. ADX just tells you the power of the trend, right? So here you will see that from here to there. So this is the completely bearish zone. We can see the power of it, right? So as you can see that this is the positions, this is the complete positions where you will see that the ADX is moving up than 25, and we can see and we can know that ADX above 25 is a strong trend, and that is happening exactly here. ADX above 25 is a stronger trend. And here also you will see that this is a strong movement will happen and a strong pullback, and you will see that this is a strong this is not so strong, a pullback, and again a shorter pullback here. So this is the positions where the the price is not strong as we expected. So here you will see that the ADX is moving down to there. This is the exact positions. So top from the top to the bottom, the ADX tells us that this is not the power of the trend and you should not capture into or say it into the trend, because understand, when this is a green candle and the green candle is like going to upward and the ADX is moving downward. When the ADX is moving downward, that literally tells us the lack of power in the trend, right? So again, when it is going like moving upward, then again you will see the ADX is also moving like upward. So this is actually ADX mean. It is a little bit of complex, like I would say, if you are a complete beginner in the market. But ADX literally tells you the power of the trend. If the trend is your friend, you should always have to go with the flow, go with the trend. And if your trend ADX gives you the power of the trend, and it doesn't matter, if it doesn't matter the trend is going to upward or downward, ADX just to give you that if it is the ADX moving upper than 25, it is a strong trend. And and if you see that it is a continuous lossing for it, so again this is the positions when the continuous lossing happening, and this is the positions where we should not involve into the trade. And again from there you will see that a slowly price is moving upward. So as you can see that the price is also moving upward, and that is literally shows us the power of the trend, right? So when and most importantly, when ADX is under the 25 level, you should avoid the market, because that is the market when ADX is not moving like we expected, and there could be hit our SL. There the SL would heated chance would be high here, right? So you can use in your trading setup ADX. I would definitely recommend you for that. And how you can select it, you have to just came here indicator portion and search about it, and I have already told you everything about ADX. So make sure that you plot this horizontal line, this 25 horizontal line in ADX portions, that will identify your trade more accurately. And I hope you get it. And if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. I will definitely try to answer your question. I will see you in the next video. Bye.